What do you guys think of these planters right here in this combination of planter or hanging basket? We think it looks really nice. So what this was the Funhouse Black Widow, which is a black petunia. And then in here we had the Inferno Orange, an orange petunia. And it's probably one of the most orangest we've actually seen. It's got a red look to it, but early in the season it's actually really orange looking. And we put the Big Falls White Bacopa inside of it. So take a look at some of these we had. These ones right here are really nice. You know, of course they need to be deadheaded. So when they get wet and stuff, you can pick the flowers off of them and all that. But overall, we actually are really happy with this combination together like this. These are ones that we had that didn't really fill out early in the season. And now, as you can see, these ones here are really full, and they look really nice with the white Bacopa and the black Petunia and the orange Inferno. Very, very nice in planters. I think in hanging baskets, we went ahead and put 5 plugs inside of the baskets, and they were the 12-inch baskets. I just wanted you to take a look at how they look as they're bloomed out and stuff.